Hey all you YouTubers out there. Today I'm going to answer the age-old question of, can you get ringtones on your iPhone for free? Well, the answer is yes. It's very simple. All you need to do is find your song that you want to get a ringtone for. Click on the song, find the spot where you want the ringtone to start. Say I want to do Sandstorm at 30 seconds. Start at 30 seconds. So you just right click it, click Get Info, Options. Check these two boxes for start and stop time, and select your start and stop times. Go 30 seconds to 45 seconds. And hit OK. Ooh. Now you'll notice when you click on the song, it'll start at 30 seconds. Right click it again and you can create an AAC version. It'll take a couple seconds. Done. And now you'll have another version of that song. One will be the time you picked, and one will be the whole song. So what you're going to want to do is right click the AAC version and click Show in Windows Explorer. Now you're going to get this box that has the file, and all you have to do is right click, rename, and it'll say the song name and it'll .m4a. Just change it to m4r. You might get this right here. Just hit yes. And now you have it says ring. This, it tricks iTunes into thinking that it's a ringtone. And then, completely legal, to my knowledge. Now, all you have to do is over in your library, drag and drop, or click ringtones. These are ringtones that I have. 30 seconds, 21, 19, 19. All you have to do is drag and drop. Now I have that window will go away, and it added it to ringtones, no problem. Go to music, and your other Sandstorm, let's say you try and click this ringtone. It'll say you could not find it because you renamed it. So just hit cancel, and delete it. 2 more steps. All you gotta do is right click the song, get info, options, uncheck these 2 boxes so when you click it, it doesn't start at 30 seconds and end at 45 seconds. And last step, get your connector for your phone to your computer, plug it in, take your phone, plug the other end in, and sync. And that's it. Thank you.